welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is HDS Tanbang channel. So if you are new in this channel, you can subscribe and press the bell icon to get a notification whenever I upload a video, and you will be the first person to watch my videos. Okay, so as usual, I would like to ask you that have you watched my last video? It was how was that? And I hope you enjoyed my last video, and thank you for watching my last video. And today's video I have brought another shocking news as usual, and as you can see in the picture here, it is written that in 1969 a man in Germany jumped into the pool and became wet. So in this video we can discuss about this matter. First of all, I want to ask you the questions like how it happened, why he jumped, and how it was the water, the pool. These are all discussed. And in our beliefs that whenever those who are jump into the water or touch the water should not become wet is our belief. But in this picture is something different that makes us to discuss about it. The man jumped into the water and became wet. How is that possible? It's the first question we can discuss. And why he's jumping there? Is he not afraid? Because we know that jumping into the water will become wet, and once you become wet, there is a chance for you to get a sickness, and if you get a sickness, there is a chance for you to go to the hospital and get a medicine injection. And once you are getting injection, once you are afraid to get injection,